Our today's topic is structure of React.js component. This is React.js official website. Here we have a few examples, and they also provide online JSX editor. So class of a component is ES6, which is ECMAScript 6, which is also JavaScript class, and it is a subclass from React.component. This is the name of our component. For the sake of simplicity, this is how you should write component until you reach the certain level of expertise, and there you can do a lot more. Till then, it is safe and maybe the best approach to use this component skeleton as a starter. This class contains a method render. This is the only compulsory method needed for a component to work, and this method has only one function, which is a return. It is returning very small piece of HTML. In fact, it is returning a div here with hello, and in these curly brackets we show a variable. JSX syntax: if you put something in the curly brackets, JSX will make it show or echo the value of the variable. This is referencing the current instance of this component class. Props is an object. This object contains the properties passed to the component. I will explain it detail somewhere else. Here I can show that this name is equal to Taylor. This is a key and this is a value contained in the object of properties here. Props.name, properties object.name is equal to Taylor. So this is showing here Taylor. As it is a live editor, I can edit it right now, like Ben Taylor, and here you see it is compiling on the fly. Okay, this is essentially the part of the component, and here is the render scheme. This is not part of the component. This is our render statement and command that is used to render a component. Most of the time we do not use a render statement with each component. In practice, we usually send one component and all other components are contained in that component, main component or parent component. So in that case, we will just throw the main component here, and everything else will be done automatically. I don't want to say anything more at this stage because it will add to your confusion with no additional benefit. Okay, if we dissect this statement, this is React DOM and its render method it takes first parameter as the component. You can see that the hello message here is the name of the component. Here we can see hello message, and these are the properties which are optional. You can skip properties or you can add as many properties as you like. Then the second parameter of render is the element in the HTML. We don't show right here the HTML file. I have shown it in the previous lesson. So in that main document, index.html or whatever name it may have, this command, this is the usual HTML, you already know it, this get element by ID. It will get the element, this element with this ID, and it will append this component into hello example element. This element could be a div, it could be a paragraph tag, or it could be any other valid HTML tag. Tag or element, it is in fact element. Okay, there is a stateful component, we will talk about it later. There's another thing that I need to talk about, and that is the JS rules to remember. So next we are going to have a look at JS rules to remember. Thank you.